What about shortening affiliate URLs? Now, see, my experience is that affiliate links or affiliate URLs, they tend to be extremely long, extremely what is referred to as long winding, in the sense they can go on forever and they can be quite weird as well. Now, you don't always want your target audience to actually see that link, because they themselves are likely to find it very strange. So instead of doing that, what you should ideally do is that you should shorten that URL as much as possible. For that, you don't need to do anything physically. What you can do is there are a lot of these URL shortening programs. Like I use the simple one from Google. I found it extremely effective. You can just type goo.gl and you'll have the URL shortening link from Google. And there what you need to do is simply paste the long link, and then as soon as you click on generate the shorter URL, it will generate that short URL, and you also have the option to directly copy it and then take it and paste it where you want to. I honestly find it very effective. Likewise for Amazon, a lot of the affiliate links, again being long winding that they are, Amazon offers the option to easily convert them into short URLs. So take any merchant practically and you'll find that there are options, and you can always stick to certain options of your own. Like I mentioned Google, there are a lot of other URL shorteners as well. On Twitter you'll find people often use these shortened URLs, or Twitter automatically shortens URLs to a much more manageable length. So as an affiliate, my advice to you would always be that use these URL shorteners, or use short URLs, or you don't always show the, it's also about the fact that you may not always want to make it very obvious that your link is actually an affiliate link. You need not always make it all too apparent right up front. So for that, it's always advisable that you shorten your URL, irrespective of whether you use these URL shorteners or not, but that is definitely an easy way to do it. So my bottom line, use these URL shorteners and generally have as short and indirect, without making it obvious that it's an affiliate link. Those kind of URLs, they work best when it comes to affiliate marketing. Cheers.